Alright guys, so I got that wall there. Got it framed. Do the paneling. I did have to take out that cabinet. It just wouldn't work properly and it looked kind of dumb. So we're going to build a wall going right across. Seal it off for a bathroom. And then build a new cabinet here. Well, basically just shorten the other one down. Not a big deal. But, yeah. Took a little longer than I thought, and I thought I'd have more progress today, but nope. Oh well, that's the way it is. But this bunk bed's nice and solid. I was up in there. Alright, just a short little video. Thanks for watching. Bye.